Let's try this trigonometry question. They tell you that there's three angles, theta, 2 theta, and 3 theta. They're inside a triangle, and we're supposed to find cos squared of theta, cos squared of 2 theta, cos squared of 3 theta, and add them all together. Well, it looks a little scary until you do this. You think, well, these three angles are in a triangle. They must add up to 180. And it's theta, 2 theta, 3 theta, 1, 2, 3. There's 6 theta. And the reason they add up to 180, because that's what the angles in a triangle do. Angles sum in a triangle to 180. Divide by 6, and now we've got theta. Now, cos squared, you have to know that you're supposed to square the cosine of 30 degrees. So the cosine of 30 degrees, we need a special triangle, because they said without a calculator. Well, there's adjacent root 3. There's hypotenuse 2. Root 3 over 2 is the cosine, and we're supposed to square it. Well, just put in root 3 over 2. The cosine is 60 degrees. Well, that's 1 over 2. 1 over 2, and we're supposed to square it. Now, for the cos of 90 degrees, you have to, one way to do it is just, you have to show without a calculator that you know that it's 0. You can go the cos of 90 is 0, but that doesn't help. You need to graph a little quick cosine curve. Starts at 190, 180, 270. Just make a little graph. And you can see right there at 90 degrees, it's going to equal 0. Right there, x is 0. If it was 180, it'd be minus 1, and 360 would be back to 1, 270 would be 0. You use this little sketch to show that you know that the cos of 90 degrees is equal to 0. So you can put a 0 in there. Well, just work it out. Root 3 over squared is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 over 2 squared is 1/4. 3/4 and 1/4 add up to equal 1. And there's your answer. There's your question. Oh, done.